friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this beautiful wig. It is as beginner friendly as it gets. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Today's hair sponsor is ISEE Hair. I have collaborated with them a few times on my channel, and every single wig that I've gotten from them has been absolutely gorgeous. Today is no exception. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 9x6 HD glueless pre-plucked pre-cut with bleached knots. This is an M cap wig. You have removable straps in the back. You have removable combs. So if you don't like combs, you can take those out. It also has a C-curve ear tab, so it fits a lot better. You're gonna see me style this wig in its natural state glueless and also wet and wavy.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the egos? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me. I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who is the real me. Might need my help than I thought I needed. I can see it. Need more healing, more believing, less deceiving. I don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news, 'cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now.
I like that they have a little comb here. I always wondered why dome cap wigs didn't have combs, and now they do. My prayers have been answered. Okay guys, bye, see you later. Because baby, that's all it takes. We're gonna add a little extra something something. This is what the hairline's giving. It doesn't need any lace tint, but I'm gonna put it on anyway. I have lace tint. I'm gonna go in with some brown to work on that lace. Just right around here. See how that just kind of erased whatever we didn't want happening, we just erased it. This wig, they did all the hard work for us, so I'm just gonna tidy it up. We don't need to do too much. Best friend today is going to be Eco Style Gel. Beautiful bleached knots. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. I'm still deciding whether or not if I want baby hairs or not. I'll do just some right here. Let me see, let me pretend like I'm doing it to see if I want baby hairs there. Yeah, I think I do. This is a deep 9x6 parting space, guys. So we have extra parting space. It's giving frontal without it being frontal. Okay, I'm just gonna section out where I'm gonna put those baby hairs. The curls are very beautiful on this wig as well. I'm gonna use the zoomed inside. Oh.
Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times, 'cause I tell myself all the same lies. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad.
Pretty much all the baby hairs I want. I don't want a lot. I'm just doing a little tiny bit. If that part ain't parting, then I don't want it. I'm gonna go ahead with some skin tone powders This is an eyeshadow palette, by the way, guys. If you don't have this exact palette, that's fine. Go in and find something that has like some nude tones. Some hairspray. One thing about ISEE hair is they have beautiful wigs. Like, that is a fact. And look at that, you guys. Out of the box, a beautiful curly wig. Wow. And it is still glueless. It took all about 10 minutes start to finish for us to do this install. Look at that. Still glueless.
I could, like I know I should, like I know I could. Oh, if you would show me.
Water wave texture is, you guys know it, my favorite curly texture, and it looks so good after you apply some water to it. The brush that I'm using is this wet brush. Don't forget about the back. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, thumbs up before you go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye!